बलूराम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है तो हमें उसे
बदलू राम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है पर हमको उसका राशन मिलता है. This song is inspired from the Second World War when the Japanese had laid a siege around one of the company positions near Kohima. Though the company was under siege, they were able to survive as the quartermaster continued to indent for rations even for soldiers who had been martyred in the war.
बदलूराम का बदन जमीन का नीचे है तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है. बदलूराम का बदन जमीन का नीचे है.